Hi there, hope so you are doing well. Today in this video I will show how to move picture in MS Word. It is a simple tutorial and I will show the process for moving pictures freely throughout your Word document. First of all, you need to go to the insert option. Now you click the picture option. Now you can choose any picture from your drive. I would like to choose this one. Just double click here. Now I'm trying to move this picture but it doesn't work. So this issue can be more complicated if you don't know how can move the picture and adjustment the right position. So we need to go to the format option and click the format option. Now we go to the position section. Here it display many options. Just take one option. I choose this one. Now you can move your picture and set on the right position as well as. So these tricks can be relieve your problem easily. Hope so it will be work any version of MS Office on your computer. If it works, please subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching my tutorial.